I guess I'm just a play date to you.
I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So this is the first time I am shooting in 2021 and I am really happy that I started shooting my videos because the videos I did shoot in 2020, I'm still posting those right now, but I don't know when this video will go on my YouTube channel. So, and yeah, and one more thing, I did cut my hair here till here. I don't know if you all can see it, and it looks pretty good, but I think I should have cut it this much. I don't know. Okay, that's fine. So now let's get started with the video. Today's video is all about what I got for Christmas in December 2020, and I don't have much products, but I do have like 2 to 3 products here. So the first thing I got was this Polaroid camera from Amazon, and look how cute it looks, right? Okay, let me open this for you guys. I am really happy that I got this thing because I have wanted this Polaroid camera from a long time, but I couldn't buy it. So finally here it is. Okay, let me just hold it. Okay. I just opened this when it came, and after that I didn't open this. Okay, so finally I opened this box, and the first thing I got here is a pair of batteries. Okay, then I got this small lens, and then I got this it's the belt, I guess, the camera belt, and then I have my camera here. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like. So cute, isn't it? And look here. So what we have to do is we have to pop in the batteries. Yeah, pop in the batteries here. Okay, let me see if I can open this. Oh my god. Okay, I'll open it later. So, and here you have to put the rolls which comes. You have to buy those separately because it doesn't come with this. Okay, so if you buy the combo pack, the camera with the 2 types of packages of the roll, and then what you get, okay, then you get the camera bag. So if you buy that combo, then you get the camera roll with this. Otherwise, if you buy only the camera, you will have to buy the Polaroid roll separately. So this is the camera I got, and I haven't used it. I need to like try. I haven't even tried because when that camera came, it was already the Christmas season, and we had to prepare a lot of things. If you are watching this video after the Christmas preparation video and the Christmas vlog, then you might know that what things I had to prepare for Christmas. So because of those things I wasn't able to try this camera, but I thought why not try it after I show it to you guys. Okay, so that was my first thing I got for December Christmas 2020. The next thing I got is the camera film for the camera. And okay, this is the Fujifilm Instax instant film mini credit card size photos. So you get 40 sheets in here. So there are like 4 packets of 10 sheets in each packet, and I have got 4 of them. And okay, let me tell you guys, you get 10 sheets, then you get 20 sheets, and then you get 40 sheets. I don't know about 30 sheets, but I thought the 20 sheets one was more what do you call that, okay, that was more on the expensive side, because for 20 sheets I guess the price was 1000 or 999 something, and for this 40 sheets this was for I think 1899 something. So that's why I got the pack of 40 sheets directly. So this is my second thing I got for December 2020. Okay, then the third thing is which I am using right now, and it's the what do you call it, Digitech photographic light. And this is the box of the stand. The stand is here right now in front of me. I am using that because I needed to I needed a stand for this camera from a long time, and finally I got it in December. And as you all can see, I have new background, and I totally needed this stand because without stand I couldn't have like changed my background, because otherwise where would I have kept my camera. So this is the third thing. I will pop up a short clip of how this stand looks like after this. Okay, so the last product I got is okay, let me tell you first. Okay, if you have watched my Panjim vlog in the December month, then you all might know that I went to Mall de Goa, and then I got a adapter for my phone, and that day only I got my phone, and it's the iPhone 11, and I got it from Margao. There's a store in Margao, so I got it from there. And where, okay, so this is the what do you call it, bag of that phone. And look, this is the phone box, and I was so happy when I got it. And by the way, I am using it right now. See, as you all can see, I am currently using this phone. And okay, and I got it in purple lavender color. As you all can see on the box, it's the same color I got. And I got this cover also. This is a grey, somewhat grayish black color of the camera, of the phone case. Okay, so it came in this packet, and it's the iPhone 11 silicone case. And this is the adapter I got from Mall de Goa. See, when I went to that store, the store girl told me that before, for iPhone 11 the charger used to come with it, but now you have to buy the adapter separately, and the cable comes in the box only. So that day only I got my phone, and then I didn't know where was the Apple store. So the only Apple store, means authorized Apple store in Goa, was Mall the Goa, and one more one, I don't remember the name. So I thought, why not go in Mall the Goa to buy the adapter for the phone. I went and then I vlogged for you guys, and I also bought this adapter from there. And yeah, this was okay, let me show you. This was the cable which I got with it, and this is the adapter I got from Mall the Goa, and this is the charger I got in the box. These were my things what I got for Christmas in December 2020. I will try to like vlog more in this year if possible. And yeah, that's all for my video today, guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press on the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and follow the Siva Style Store and Agima's Lifestyle. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.